Hello everybody, I'm Giuseppe Basili, also known as the FibStalker, and in this brief video I want to recap and summarize what happened last week. First of all, we started and I created a new channel which is called FibStalker Methods, and when you join the room for free, you'll get 1 month in the room, and you'll get 1 month in the FibStalker Methods channel that is going to become a private channel soon. I mean, if you wanna stay with us, I'm very happy that you stay with us in after the first month. If you don't wanna keep the if you don't wanna become a paying subscriber, then you can stay in the general and random room. We have a lot of activity going on. So as usual, on Sunday, February last week, 18 last week, we I published the two parts of the weekend review. We had some new people joining in. Paul is a new client and a new subscriber who came in, and the week started, and last week was kind of a slow week. We started with a very slow day on Monday because it was the President Day in US, and it was also the Family Day in Canada. And the main topic last week has really been understanding whether this double bottom we were seeing the dollar index was a possibility for a firm lower, and we could see price moving higher. There were good opportunities, and a short here that we can see on the New Zealand dollar that played very well, with price getting into that first target and price continue lower as well. Some of our best traders here have taken, as usual, good profits out, 12 unit of risk in this move on multiple positions. So the week continued very slow, with some of the subscribers joining also the Stalker methods, and I was looking at a continuation chart in the euro dollar here, and we published of course our intraday analysis that I publish every day. There were quick moves that were taken for some of the from some of our traders here, and that was another 50% from highs to lows in a very small time frame here in H1 in the hourly time frame. And so this is the kind of opportunity you can take when you trade the FibStalker methods and you time with the FibStalking timing. This would be a pin bar, a Pinocchio bar, how Martin Prink calls them, and how price action traders call these bars. But you want to enter really at the 50% level. You don't want to wait for the pin bar to be formed. Okay, so that's one of the advantage that with the FibStalking timing, the FibStalker methods, you can have on top, you can have on when trading. And the multiples here are always very interesting. 10 hours. Now we had one of our oldest member joining in the room. I was very happy. Crossroad is with us now, and he's a SP500 E-mini day trader, and he applies the FibStalker levels on a very small time frame here, and as you can see, participation in different areas here. He has had a great week. There were some questions from Peter, and it's always interesting to come and interact with our best traders as well. All right, so this is basically it. We had more trades on the 15 minutes, analysis on the 15 minutes from Crossroad, and also analysis on the weekly on the larger time frames. We started a new week with the two analyses. Usually part one it's a bit smaller. It's 10 to 15 minutes, and part two maybe between 20 and 30 minutes. And from tomorrow, as usual, I'll keep adding the intraday reviews, which are usually 10 to 15 minutes. Now, I wanted to let you know that I started a secret Facebook group. Okay, and last Saturday I also had a live workshop, which is part of the Fearless Trader, my new Fearless Trader workshop. Just wanted to give you a free resources that you can you can use here to get the basics of the FibStalker methods. You can go to fibstalkertrading.com/free, and there are also webinars here. You can stop the video and copy the short addresses here, and that will get you to a load of free information here. Jump on the newsletter if you're not done there yet. I'm gonna give on that a lot of information, setups, video reviews, and on the website you can get this information also from the website. I have market research, speeches, ebooks. You can go to FibStalkerTrading.com, and there's a lot of free material. If you go to the free material link, there are a lot of links there, and you can actually get the same information. Now, I was mentioning the Facebook secret group. You can come to fibstalkertraining.com/Facebook, friend me, and just drop me a small message to introduce yourself, and just mention my secret group, and I'll introduce you in the secret group. Okay, I'd be very happy to do that. It's free, so go ahead, no worries. The rules of the groups will be published, and everything is there. And you can also follow me on Twitter, or friend me on Twitter. This is going to be the secret group, Modern Markets Trading Mastermind, and I'm going to focus on the secrets to a freedom-based lifestyle trading business. Okay, so I look forward to see you there. Now, I have been at trading now for 17 years. I started in 2000, 2001, okay? And in all these years, I tried to initially to solve the markets myself. I wanted to find a solution myself. Only in 2006 I understood that I need help. But in these many years, these are the 10 aspects that are important, and I understood I had to master. First of all, I needed to understand risk. I didn't have a clear understanding and respect for risk in the market. When we start trading, we want to focus on the matter, we want to focus on the gains. On the other hand, we should really be focusing on risk and the psychology of trading. Okay, so I now apply advanced risk management, and particularly risk-free trading, which helps me and my clients to protect the capital. That's very important. And with time, I also understood that I needed to master methods that are really grounded in the way the market works, that represent the psychology of the market, that represents the activity on price of important, significant participants like algorithms, smart money, and dump money. And that's very important as well. Simply identifying a method that trades using indicators or price action, or any other method that is based on derivative of price that lags price action, it's not good. It's not good because it does not allow us to manage risk properly, or gives us very small reward to risk. I also needed to understand timing and master effective timing techniques. And in fact, I've designed one timing techniques because I was not happy with whatever I had. And the timing techniques that I use with smart money is the FibStalking timing. which basically uses the presence of algorithms on small time frame in order to decide whether long or shorts are in control. I also designed a methodology that used the dump money as well. And dump money, it's really the crowd standing like sitting ducks at some point and some areas in the charts and price, waiting for the big money the smart money to actually source volume. It's also important to have a process that is repeatable step by step, because if we need to apply discretion every time we analyze price or we have to take a decision, then we will never be successful. And once you understand that, you also understand that you need to have a trading system which is part of this process that fits you, that you're able to trade. For example, I'm not able to trade very short time frames. That's not my style, right? I'm more of a swing trader and trade on the 4 hour and up. Of course, I can time on the smaller time frame as well, 1 hour or lower. However, the system really had to fit me, and the system has to fit you. The markets you want to trade, the time frames you want to trade, the hour of the day you can trade or you want to trade. It's very important, that aspect as well. But the most important aspect is definitely psychology and self-discipline. 80% of market success, it's due to what we bring to the table when it comes to our mental environment. And when I work with my students and traders, I help them identifying the trading objectives and defining their trading beliefs in different areas of trading, as well as identifying the market mistakes and correcting market mistakes. There's only a limited number of market mistakes and needs to be managed. So there's a lot of work to be done with the psychology of trading, and if you're never focused on this, or you never thought this was a priority, this is a very important area. Now, once you have all these tools together, and you know you have a method, you have a way to time, you know how to manage risk and even size a position, and you can work with a repeatable process and have your mental environment psychology under control. The way to magnify profits is to use advanced money management. In fact, that's the way we use to reach trading objectives. And money management is different from risk management. Risk management is to protect capital. Money management is to reach trading objectives, to magnify profits after we have tested and we have a robust trading system with a positive expectancy. In order to be wildly successful, then you also have to let your profits run and trade trends and leave the money there when there is a good possibility for price to move into a swing target. And another aspect is that you have to learn to pyramid, to add to positions based on risk, based on volatility, based on additional setups on the smaller time frame given by smart money and dump money. So please make a favor to yourself. Forget traditional techie analysis. Not that traditional techie analysis does not work, but the edge it gives is very, very small. And in my research and in working with many traders and services as well, I discovered that people who were successful with traditional tech analysis, they were successful because of superior psychology as well as advanced risk and money management, not because the methods based in traditional tech analysis in modern markets have a substantial edge. Okay, so learn to model and execute based on the effects of price of important participants in the markets, the smart money and the dump money. Like in every craft, if you want to improve then and you want to bring your 10% per month to 15 to 20 and even more, I have had people doing 100% in a month or 30% in a month. That's not uncommon. You need to learn how to measure yourself and how to practice continuous improvement. But most importantly, and that's something that I only discovered in 2006, after 5 years I was into trading and trying to solve the markets by myself. In 2006 is when I started investing in mentoring, and my trading started changing completely. Okay, so if you want to succeed, these are the 10 points you have to master. Now you have a choice. You can do this yourself. You can spend the 10 years trying to 3 to 10 years trying to get this done in the right way and learn all these aspects, or you can choose another track. You can get help, and this is how I can help. I have opened up some time on my calendar over the next 72 hours, okay, and I can get on the phone with you and personally help you apply these strategies into your trading starting from today. What we will do, we will jump on the phone for 45 minutes. It's going to be no pressure, relaxed call. We will dig into everything that you're currently doing in trading, and I'll help you discover the areas of improvements in your trading that are causing you to stay stuck. So how's it going to work? What we're going to do is that thanks to this call, you're going to get some clarity of what you want your trading and life to look like in the future. Okay, from there, I'll help you apply these strategies to your trading. I'll work with you to craft a step-by-step game plan for you to follow and hit your goals in 2018 and participate to the many setups offered by the market. What's the cost of all this? It's just 100% free. Now, I can help, but I require that you satisfy a couple of requirements here. First of all, you must have a basic understanding of trading, and you have to have access to a trading account or willing to open a demo account. Number two, you have not to be a wishy-washy. You have to, not wishful thinking. No ego. You must have an open mind. You must be willing to listen as well. You must be ready to work hard, because trading is not something that you can succeed without working hard, and you want to take your trading to the next level now. If that sounds like you and you feel like you qualify, then a suggestion is that you book a session now. And you might ask, why are you doing this? Well, the reason I'm doing this, and many people who know me and have worked with me know that I like to mentor traders and work with traders. I'm a free premium contributors on FX Street as well, and I like watching traders grow and get the financial and lifestyle rewards that my experience, my hard work, my proprietary research, and strategies can create. Second, you may want our help to take your trading to the next level. If that's the case, and if we think you qualify, then we can discuss how that works. If you don't, or if we don't feel it's not a good fit, then we won't. And either way, it's cool for me, because I know I've helped you. Here, what to do next then. You go to FibStalkerTrading.com/apply and apply to your complimentary trading breakout trading strategy session. What's the catch? Time is a factor. I only have 3 days because on Thursday this week, March the 1st, I'm gonna fly to San Diego to celebrate my birthday day for a few days, and that's what a business, that's what a freedom based lifestyle trading business can give you. And so to me, if you want to have this call, is going to be in the next 3 days. Pick the appointment time that you like on my calendar from Monday to Wednesday, and fill out the short application. All right, so to do that, just go to FibStalkerTrading.com/apply and book now, because spots are limited. All right, so very good. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the trading room. Bye bye now.